Hi, this is Jenny Gonzalez with Keller Corona. Today we are going to talk about home inspections. What is a home inspection? What is included in a home inspection? The home inspector will check structural conditions such as the foundation, beams and floors, roof condition, mechanical systems such as heat and air conditioning, appliances to make sure they're working, plumbing for leaks, rust, and water pressure, electrical systems such as grounded outlets and code violations, safety issues such as stairs, handrails, mold, or chimney maintenance. What should I watch for during the home inspection? You and your agent should attend the home inspection to learn about home maintenance and so you can see any potential problems yourself. The inspector can answer questions as you go, so if there's anything you don't understand or are worried could be a problem, just ask. I've got the home inspection report. Now what? While you and your agent can decide whether to negotiate on anything in the inspection report, you can ask the inspector the following questions. Are the items you flagged major or minor issues? What needs to be done to resolve any flagged issues? Can you give me an estimate of the cost of any repairs? Do I need another inspection, such as by an electrician or a structural engineer? Are there things I need to do after I move in? Your experienced real estate agent can be the best advisor to help you understand the implications of the home inspection. I am proud to be a member of Keller Corona. My license number is 01249788 and Keller Corona license is 01406566. Each office is independently owned and operated, but we all work as a team. As you see, we're all wearing red here, and we have Red Day, and that has all of us with hearts because we give back to the community and we love our community.
Like us on social media. I'm on Twitter at Jenny G Sells Homes. I'm on YouTube at Jenny Gonzalez Real Estate, and you can find me on Facebook on Jenny Gonzalez Real Estate.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel on YouTube, Jenny Gonzalez Realtor. You stay up to date with market updates, upcoming listings, and anything else that's going on in the community that you may be interested in. Call me today for more information regarding the real estate market. My name is Jenny Gonzalez. I'm with Keller Corona, and my cell phone number is 951-316-0374, and my license number is 01249788. Thank you for watching the video. I am Jenny Gonzalez, Realtor, and I provide all real estate services. And to me, a home is not just a place to live. Home is where memories are made.